could have a good look. Might be one here somewhere. Let's go. Next trees. Let's go. Only 20 more to go. See, Zara? You're looking up top? You're taller than you, I can help you. I can help you find them. Well, you got to look. Yep, the girls team. We've got girls team and boys team. Are you going to be on my team? Okay.
I don't know where it is.
Right, next trees. Oh, good boy, Liam. Oh, wow, don't tell everyone. Well, if there was millions, how come you only got two?
I got one.
And you'll rush. Now, what sort of tree is this? Oh, don't say anything, because otherwise everyone will come and get them all. Oh. Good work. How are you going, Zara? Go on. Good girl. Well done. Come for a walk. Yeah. Beautiful dog. Okay, it's a beautiful dog. Oh. Beautiful dog. Right, carry on. Cicadas, cicadas. Well, you missed out, didn't you? You've got to be a bit quicker.
Can you wait for me?
Yep, waiting for you.
Oh, that was a grass.
The grass. Oh, well, that's not. Well, what does that mean? We're not supposed to check them because you checked them. Check them, girls. You might have missed one. You might have missed one. You're a good checker, aren't you, Shees? Oh, look, good girl. Put them in the bag. How many have we got now? Alright, we'll put them in your bag. You got one? Hey, I can see lots. Here's another one. Yeah. They're hidden in the bark, eh?
Hey, where is it?
Hey, what's this? Shh, don't tell anyone. See them all? Don't tell anyone, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Oh, look, they're here, they've found them.
Yeah, she's on my team, so.
One here, Jade.
Good one.
Wow. So many. Wow, look at them all. Look how many there are. Oh, the gold mine.
Oh my god.
It's a gold mine. It's a gold mine. A gold mine of cicada shells. Oh no, you might have picked it clean. Carry on, next tree. Oh, good girl. Down two. Good work. Good eyes, Jade.
I need a
Hold the camera. Yeah? Oh, cool. Let's have a look.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Coming out of the shell.
I'm good at spotting, am I?
You're great at spotting them.
Yeah, guess what? We got more than you.
Give it a poke, Jade.
Don't!
Yep.
Don't! It's gonna die if you do that.
Right, next tree.
One there. One! Oh my god, a gold mine! Okay, I'll grab all that I can.
Wow, there's a lot. Which side of the tree is that on?
The east.
Yeah, east. So east, northeast. Okay.
Papa, you want to pick
Oh, you got a few, eh?
I have only left.
Well, listen, it's about the quality, not the quantity. We want good cicada shells.
I keep working.
Yeah.
Working.
Oh, good. Thanks, Liam. That was nice of them, eh? Good work, Liam. Teamwork, hey, Zara. Oh, look, she's been so kind. She's putting the bag up. This beautiful monstrosity behind me is a squirrel tree, we call it, because the children can climb up it, and I say it's got squirrels in it, so you have to be careful. And one of the things that happens when you're in the squirrel tree is that you get squirrel wee coming down the branches, and they end up collecting at the base of the tree, which is right here. And the squirrel wee goes in there. Is there any squirrel wee in there? The squirrel wee collects in that part of the tree, so you don't want to get caught in that part of the tree, otherwise just get squirrel wee. Disgusting, right?